From the makers of the world's first standalone device and the Staylift portfolio comes the next evolution in anterior column support. FLX 3D printed porous titanium interbody devices. Proven Staylift design in an evolved material option. FLX utilizes advancements in 3D printing technology to allow for the precision manufacturing of implants with complex structures that remove the drawbacks of machined titanium implants while reaping the benefits of hydrophilic titanium material, providing the potential to drastically enhance the fusion process. The FLX portfolio is driven by a robust design rationale with an overarching principle of guided bone growth. F for flexible refers to a hybrid structure that has been mechanically optimized to distribute forces between the implant and bone. FLX devices have a unique hybrid construction of a solid titanium exoskeleton with a titanium lattice scaffold that was designed using a stacked and randomized rhombic dodecahedron unit cell. This particular unit cell was chosen for its optimal balance of reduced stiffness and increased strength in an ideal porosity range to improve osteopromotive properties, resulting in a bone-like modulus of elasticity that this proprietary FUSE-THRU matrix could only achieve via 3D printing technology. A solid exoskeleton reinforces the FUSE-THRU lattice, optimizing the strength of the device to withstand 1.5 times the worst case insertion forces seen in anterior interbody fusion surgeries. Staylift FLX devices provide active compression at the fusion site in line with Wolff's Law of bone healing, taking advantage of the body's ability to heal itself to enhance the fusion process. The L in FLX stands for lucent. FLX implants were designed with imaging in mind. Under fluoroscopy, the solid exoskeleton clearly defines the implant location within the disc space, while the porous radiolucent sections create a window to help with device alignment. The density and porosity of the FLX scaffold were designed to reduce imaging artifacts to enable post-op fusion assessment. The X in FLX stands for matrix, for the proprietary FUSE-THRU osteoconductive trabecular scaffold that's been bioengineered to allow for bony on-growth, in-growth, and through growth. FLX devices participate in the fusion process with a combination of macro, micro, and nanostructural characteristics that influence cellular events related to the production of new bone. The porous FUSE-THRU scaffold mimics trabecular bone with interconnected pores in a size range that's optimal for rapid and sustained bone growth and enables wicking into the pores of the implant. The texturized surface and proprietary FUSE-THRU scaffold are designed to improve cellular attachment and proliferation, to provide guided bony ingrowth and through growth from the vertebral bodies through the lattice structure for a truly integrated fusion construct. FLX, fusing over 30 years of clinical success with a differentiated evolved material option. Learn more at www.centinelspine.com.